We're heading to the BWT Alpine F1 Team Factory in Oxfordshire to speak with a couple of young drivers about their two very different careers in motorsport. Oh, and while I'm there, I'm going to be getting a bit of coaching and setting a lap time on their F1 simulator, which will be at the British Motor Show. So if you're at the show, you can pop down and see us at Motors to find out my time and then hop on over to the sim to try to beat it.
Okay, so show us a hot lap around Silverstone, Josh.
Yep, okay. So, starting the lap, taking a wide line to open up the final corner, carry as much speed as possible to start the lap.
So here we're coming on to the start-finish.
Yep, this is the start-finish straight.
What's the first thing we need to look out for?
Turn one that approaches you very quickly. Take that corner flat out if you dare, and then into turn three, just after the 100-meter board. Bring the car back over to the right-hand side and then throw it into the left. Second gear, careful on the traction on the exit to avoid spinning. And out onto the next straight. Upshifting, opening DRS, plenty of overtaking opportunities here in the race. And then the 50-meter board, brake hard, down into this left-hander, quickly followed by the right. Third gear, open up the corner straight as possible to make traction as easy as possible. And out again, another straight, all the way up to 8th gear. And as you're at the 50-meter board, triangle flat out as we do there, to make sure not to lose any speed. And now into Maggots, Becketts and Chapel, carry as much speed as possible, down 2 gears, and again, down 1 more into the right-hander, and out wide onto the straight. Open DRS as soon as possible, again. And now into Stowe, another very high-speed right-hander. As you hit the 50-meter board, down 2 gears, back on the power. Careful not to exceed track limits on the exit there, as I do. And now into the final chicane, down to 3rd gear, into the right-hander. As much curb as possible on the exit, up to the line, and that's a hot lap of Silverstone.
If you want to know more about careers in motorsport, then head on over to the Motors Family Zone at the British Motor Show, where I'll be speaking to young drivers involved in motorsport. Don't forget, you can also visit the Alpine Sim Racing Team to find out more and see if you can beat the time that I set on the simulator. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.